Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning viewers. I welcome you all once again to this video on astrology, where in this video we will be seeing some of the interesting aspects based on the position of the planets in each house. We can determine what type of health issues a person might get in the near future. That is the interesting subject that we will be going to discuss in this particular video. So you listen to this video completely, then only you will understand what are the reasons that may affect a person's body. Also, if you are not subscribed this channel, subscribe this and click to the bell symbol so that you will get my updates instantly. Also, if you like this video, give a like and share with your friends and groups. Okay, now let us go into the video now. In astrology, we can find the possibility of a person getting a disease on a particular organ is based on the bad planets which are associated with a particular house or a specific zodiac sign. So the human body is divided into 12 parts, right from head to the foot. So for each and every zodiac sign or a house, we can associate that particular house with a particular organ of a human body. For example, in this example what I had given, it is a Pisces ascendant. So the first part, the first house is a Pisces, the second house will be Aries. Like this it will have 12 houses distributed. Generally, if a particular house is associated with bad planets like Saturn or Rahu Ketu or Sun or Mars partially, if Mercury is associated with a evil planets or a bad planets like Saturn, then it will turn out to be a bad planet also. Same way, if the moon is situated near to the sun, that is, we call it as Teipirai, that is, if the moon is from the full moon to the new moon, then it is considered as a evil planet also. So the good planets what we associate is only the Jupiter, the Venus and the growing moon. We call it from the new moon to the full moon, where if the moon is also associated with the ascendant or the first house to the 7th house of from the ascendant. And if Mercury is associated not with bad planets but with a good planets like Jupiter or Venus. So generally we find most of the planets are in an evil way or a bad planets when compared to the good planets. Not only the planet associated with a particular house, we should also see the areas where the planets aspect. For example, all planets will aspect the 7th house from the place where they are sitting. Supposing if a person is having an horoscope in that, if the second house, if bad planets like Saturn, Rahu is there, it will aspect from second house to 8th house directly. So any bad planets or any good planets will aspect the 7th house from the place where it is situated. At the same time, if a bad planet is aspected by a good planet like Jupiter and Venus, then the ill effect will get reduced. So this also we should keep in mind. Also the houses where the bad planet is aspecting, if the same house, if another good planet is associated or it is aspecting, then the ill effect will also get reduced. This is the way we should determine whether a particular organ is get infected or not. Now let us see which are all the houses that will get affected. Now for example, if ascendant is the first house, the first house is associated with the head, that is the part where we have brain fever, we have headaches, all these issues which comes if a bad planet is associated with the first house, that is the ascendant itself. If the second house, that is the next house of the ascendant, is having a bad planet associated, or if any bad planet is aspecting like Saturn or Rahu is aspecting the second house, then any part in the face will have a defects. For example, the person may have defects on eyes, you'll have a problem in listening or hearing, you may have a problem in speaking also. So some of them may wear spectacles like that. If the good planets like Jupiter or Venus not aspecting the second house, then the chances of the effects is even more worst. Some may have a total blindness, some people may have a total deaf and dumb like that. If the third house is associated with the bad planets, then so this person will have throat infection and frequent neck pain and all. Generally, these people will have a surgery. Some may have a tonsils issues like that. If the fourth house associated, that is from the ascendant, if the fourth house is associated with the evil planets like Saturn or Rahu, Ketu like that, then this person may have heart issues. You will have a heart problem, and also you'll have lungs problems, and some people have problems in their hands, the forefingers, the shoulder pain, the muscle pain and all. If the fifth house from the ascendant is associated with evil planets or bad planets like Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, as we call Mercury associated with bad planets, then this particular person will have a frequent stomach ache. You will have a problem in the stomach. You will have a digestion problem and all. If the sixth house from the ascendant is influenced by bad planets, then you will have pancreas problems, stomach below the stomach problems, the frequent problems in their back pain and all. These are all the major effects. If the seventh house from the ascendant is having bad planets associated, or if any bad planets aspects the seventh house, then they will have a kidney problems, urinary issues. All these problems they may get. Even some people will have stone problems also. If the eighth house from the ascendant having associated with evil planets like Saturn, Rahu, Ketu like that, then they will have hip problems. Mostly these people will have frequent hip problems when they are aged, that is around 50 and 60 plus. If more planets are associated, then they may have injuries, when they may get into accidents, and frequently they will have hip problems. So their bones may get crack or failures like that. They will have problems in walking also. If the ninth house from the ascendant is associated with the bad planets, then they will have a thigh issues, the thigh problems. They will have problem in walking in the age of 50 plus. They can't climb up, they can't climb down the steps and all. If the 10th house is having associated with bad planets, then they will have knee problems. Generally, the horoscope holders, if they have frequent knee problems, then the 10th house may be aspected by evil planets or associated with the evil planets. If the 11th house is associated with the evil planets like Rahu, Ketu or Saturn like that, then that person will have leg issues, leg problems. Frequently they will have walking issues at the age of 40, 45, 50 and all. They will have very frequent pain in their legs. If the 12th house is associated with the bad planets, then they will have problems in the toes. They will have the skin problems, the foot rest, the foot problems. The nails and the fingers in the foot will not be very good. They will have frequent problems in that areas. So generally, if a particular person is getting diseases on particular organs, and due to which the person may even go to the level of losing his life also. It all depends on the power of the bad planets associated with that particular house. Now, if you know these particular issues, supposing if in your horoscope, if any particular house is having a bad planet associated, then you can keep yourself ready with that. That is the reason we are trying to help you out in getting to know what all the major issues the person might face. Now let us see an example with that. One example chart is given for your reference, where the ascendant is Pisces, the second house Aries, in that Saturn is there. Generally in the second house, that is specifically in Aries, Saturn will get debilitated. So this particular person in the second house, Saturn is associated as an evil planet, and also it gets debilitated. So this person might have a problem in eyesight, or hearing problem, or listening problem, or even he will find difficulty in have a speech also. But this effect will not be much because the Jupiter from the 10th house aspects the second house. So the ill effect will get reduced. So the chances of wearing a spectacles will be there, but not a complete blindness. So these are the possibilities of finding a issue from an horoscope. Now if you see in this horoscope, the fourth house and the ascendant where Rahu and Venus are there. Since both the good and bad planets are together, so the ill effects will not be much. And the fifth house, you see Mars is there. So Mars is not much attractive planet, but still the chances of getting stomach problems, stomach aches and digestion problems will be there. And in the sixth house you can see both Sun and Mercury are there. Since Mercury is associated with Sun, it will become an evil planet, and in sixth house the person will have a back pain as well as the stomach ache, all these issues he might suffer, that is in pancreas and all. You can see the Saturn aspects the 7th house, which is the 8th house from the ascendant. Okay, that is in Libra, which is the 8th house from the ascendant. Also the Mars from 5th house will aspect the 8th house. So 8th house becomes even worst. So this person will have hip problem. Generally he might get into an accident and he'll have injuries on the hip side. So not only the place where the bad planets are sitting, we should also see the places, the houses where the planets aspects also. If the bad planets aspects the wrong places, the chances of ill effects will be more. This is the way we should identify from our horoscope which are all the organs that will get affected very frequently. Once you find that particular organ will get affected, then the chances of getting some diseases through that will also can be established. Hope you understood this particular video, and I think you have enjoyed this. You can also refer to your horoscope and find out which are all the houses having the bad effects, houses which are having the good effects. I come out with an interesting video next time. Until then, thanks for listening. Like this video and share with your friends and groups.